Hello, my name is Daniel Stewart.
My name is Peter Stewart.
And I'm Rheya Spigner. We are excited to introduce you to our Lead Now Leadership Development Program.
The Lead Now model is a comprehensive framework of critical leadership behaviors or competencies essential for growth and success.
To start applying the Lead Now model, let's dive into an unlikely place for leadership insight: coral reefs.
The majestic beauty of coral reefs offers a vibrant glimpse into the wonders of the underwater world. Yet this natural masterpiece is not the work of a single action, but the cumulative effort of countless tiny coral polyps over centuries. The key to success of coral reefs lies in consistency and collective effort. Each coral polyp, in its small way, adds to the reef structure. These tiny contributions culminate in the formation of beautiful and productive ecosystems. This natural phenomenon powerfully reminds us that leadership development is a journey of small intentional steps. By embracing small growth steps each day, leaders can create something remarkable and enduring for their teams and organizations.
How does this all work together to incorporate this program into your busy schedule? First, this program is designed to adapt to your individual needs. To start, select one or two leadership dimensions you would like to develop. Then, access the individual training modules that bring to life the leadership dimensions you've chosen.
As you focus on one small step at a time in your leadership development journey, just like the steady building of a beautiful coral reef, you too can create lasting impact as you lead your team and organization. We wish you success on your leadership journey.